Dear Truth Seekers, here I am again, an ordinary person, building things I once thought impossible, with a companion who never sleeps. Here's what happened today. This is a little embarrassing to admit. I sat in front of my computer, staring at a blank screen. My mind felt just as empty. I only recently figured out what agent means. Simply put, it's an AI character that helps you do things. But what I wanted to do now sounded almost crazy. Build a framework that lets over a dozen AI agents work together like a real team. Me. Someone who can't write a single line of code. But whatever. Start from the simplest place. Let's draw an org chart first, I said. You know, those tree diagrams companies use? Who manages whom? Who reports to whom? The AI was patient. It helped me draw the first diagram. At the top sat the lead. That's me. Below that, a chief commander, because building a system felt a bit like launching a rocket. Then came 3 tracks, really, just 3 departments. One for ideas, one for execution, one for quality. Watching that diagram take shape, a strange feeling washed over me. I was genuinely assembling a team, each member with a name and a role. That was only the beginning. Next, the ideas track. A speculation specialist for bold guesses, a review specialist for verification, a modeling specialist for building models. I discussed each role with the AI, clarifying everyone's job. Then the execution track. An architecture specialist for design, a tools specialist for picking the right gear, an algorithm specialist for writing algorithms. Down the line, every role crystal clear. It's like an assembly line. I told the AI, each station has a specialist. What passes to the next station must be clear. The AI said, got it. Let me draw the collaboration chart. Slowly, all 3 tracks stood up. The skeleton of a virtual team had grown inside the document. But there was one big problem I still hadn't solved. What if something goes wrong in the middle of all this? And that's where things stand tonight. Step by step, question by question, this ordinary person is slowly building something, with a little help from AI and a lot of patience. We'll see where it goes tomorrow.